welcome to my channel. This is Tutor, and what I do here solve technical drawing problems and also provide very important information that you can make use of for you to have better performance in your technical drawing examinations. And if you are watching my video for the first time, thank you, and I want to say that you should subscribe to this YouTube channel, put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video you're notified, and help me share my videos to your friends who are technical drawing students. And right now I want to solve this problem, and it has to do with conversion of orthographic views into isometric view. And as we have here, 3 views of a block are shown. Draw it in isometric projection. Arrow X is the required viewpoint, so this is arrow X they are talking about, and these views are given a first angle orthographic projection. It means this is the front elevation, this is the top view or plan, and this is the end elevation or side view. So we want to put this part together for us to have an isometric object. So I'm on page 51 of J.N. Green, that is textbook with blue cover. Okay, so I'm going to be bringing in the dimensions while as I'm doing it, but this is the plan. So we are going to start with this plan, though we are going to start with this part. So get this curve down, and also we are going to have the curve up also. So we are going to start with this. So this first thing I'm going to do is to construct a rectangle. So and the length of the rectangle will be this is 50, from here to here is 50, and from here to here is 25. So 50 plus 25, that's 75. So and the width is 50. So what I'm saying is this. So the first that we need to do here is to draw a horizontal line. So we draw a horizontal line here. Okay, so then having drawn this horizontal line, the next thing that we are going to do is to draw a line in this direction like this, and then so we also draw a line in this direction with our 30-degree set square, as you know. So then I'm going to take a measurement of 75 millimeters in this direction from this point here, 75 millimeters. So this is 75 millimeters. Okay, then I will take 50 to this side, take 50 to this side. So this is 50 millimeters for the rectangle. So I'm going to complete it first as a rectangle, so that I can draw the curve here. So I will draw this line. So this line goes in this direction, and then so I will complete it as a rectangle, as an isometric rectangle here. All right, so we have the rectangle in place. So the next thing I'm going to do is to draw the curve, so whose radius is 25 millimeters. So first of all, make this an isometric square of length 50 millimeters. Okay, so I need to get 25 here. I need to get 25, so the midpoint is 25. And also I need to come here and get 25 millimeters. So this is 25 millimeters. So okay, so I'll take this to this side, and then so draw the midpoint, draw a line in the middle. Then also I will transfer this midpoint, I will transfer it to the other side to form an isometric square. So if you have seen my video on how to construct isometric circle, so this will be easy for you. So now, so I need to join the longest corners together to draw a longest diagonal. Then I'll be connecting so this point together with this point like this, and I'll also connect this point together with this point. Okay, so that's all I need to do. So the next thing I'm going to do is to take my compass. So I'll put it at this point. So I put at this point, and I will extend it to this point, and I will draw a curve or an arc. So I'll draw an arc from here like this. So I need to take it easy. Okay, all right, just to touch the diagonal line, just touch diagonal line. So the next thing I'm going to do is to put the endpoint of my compass at this point here. So I will extend it here. I'll extend it here. Okay, so we have to take it easy. Then I'm going to draw an arc like this. Okay, so we are going to stop it here. So this is what we need down here. So if I need anything, I'll come back and show you that. So the next thing I'm going to do is to complete this, is to build it up. I will draw a vertical line at this point. Draw a vertical line at this point, and also I will draw a vertical line at this point. And coming to this point, I will draw a vertical line at this point. Okay, so what's the thickness of the object? So it is 35 millimeters. That is thickness. This is the front view, so that's thickness. So we are going to take 35 millimeters. So we can take it here, 35 millimeters. So this is 35 millimeters. So I'm going to transfer this to the other lines. Okay, so I transfer this here. I will also transfer this to this side. Okay, I will also come here and draw a line in this direction. Okay, then I'll take this to this side. All right, so that's what we need. So we are not done. So we still need to draw the curve up here. So we just need to transfer this midpoint. So we take it up here. So we take it up here to the midpoint. Also this midpoint, we take it up here. Okay, so this end where we have 50 millimeters, I will take it, transfer it to this point. Okay, so that's all I need. So the next thing is I just transfer this to this side. So what I want to do is to form an isometric square up here too. So that's what I want to do. So I'll transfer this midpoint to the other side, and this midpoint also I'll transfer it to the other side to form an isometric square. Okay, all right, so then I will join the longest diagonal together, or longest corners together, which is this. So all right, so then I'm going to join this point together with this point, and I'll also join this point together with this point. All right, so then that's all that we need. So I just need to take my compass, put it at this point, and I will extend it to this point as we did for the down one. Okay, then I'm going to draw an arc like this. Okay, so I believe you can see how the arc goes. All right, so then I'll put the pinpoint of my compass at this point here and extend it to this point. Okay, all right, then I will draw an arc. Okay, so all right, so what I need to do now is to join, so this point on the longest diagonal and this point, I will join them together. Okay, all right. Okay, so what we have here now, so I'm going to, okay, so I can't complete this now because there is something here in the plan that we have. So this rectangle that we have here, and by the time we are looking at the object in this direction, we are going to see this rectangle, and this is going to form a rectangle on the other side here. So how can we produce this? What we need to do is that we come, so we are told that from here to here, so from here to here, this is 15 millimeters, from here to here is 15 millimeters. So I'll take a measurement. So come to the end here, so I'll take a measurement of 15. So this is 15 millimeters here. So we take another 15. So this is another 15 millimeters here. So here I'm going to draw a vertical line down here. Here I will also draw a vertical line. Alright, so next thing is I will transfer this line. So I'll transfer this point. This point I will take it in a little bit, and I'll also take this, I'll take it in a bit. Okay, so then another thing that we have here is that from here to here is 20. From here to here is 20. So I will take 20 millimeters here. I'll take 20 millimeters. So this is 20 millimeters. So here I'm going to draw this line. So I'll draw it to this side like this to meet this line. Okay, so so what we have here now, all right, so next thing that I'm going to do is that what we have here in the plan, that there is a line, this line, that there is a line that we have to draw from this point to join this point here. So from this point here to join this point, and we also have the same thing, but this one is not going to show. So so what we need to do now is to join. So we join this together. So I first of all draw it with my red pen. So let's see. Okay, all right, so okay, you can see it. So I think lines are so many, so I just draw it like this. Okay, so what we have here, so this line is going to be a thick line from here to here. Okay, also this line, so we make it thick. The whole of this line will be a thick line. Okay, then this line, so let me bring out this part at once. It is also a thick line. So I believe you can see what we have there. So it has come out very well now. So next thing I'm going to do is to make this line a thick line. Okay, so this line from here to here is a thick line, and this is also a thick line from here to here. So I will also make this line a thick line. Okay, so this end here, okay, so what else do we have? So the object has come out. So this is how it will be. This is how it will be. All right, so this is how the isometric view will look. All you need to do is to practice. When you practice, you become a master at this work. Thank you, and keep on practicing.